welcome to the fragrant world of Melanie Jane. Have I got a treat for you today? If you have seen my videos, I've got how to create your own natural skincare with simple ingredients and in simple steps, basically. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some of these ingredients. Some of them were salve, so I'm going to show you what they look like after they set. So the lip balm and the healing salve, etc. But I'm going to give you some beautiful nuggets of beauty tips that you can use along with these products. But I'm going to talk first of all, well, we're going to start with the basics. What's the first thing that you should do when it comes to having a good skincare routine? And the first thing is cleansing. You need to cleanse well. You need to cleanse really, really well. And you don't need to spend a fortune. Trust me, I can show you how to cleanse and exfoliate your beautiful face with just 2 ingredients. And one of them isn't really an ingredient. So jojoba oil and this. You know, Kate Middleton, her makeup artist, actually revealed that one of her secret beauty tips is actually using a good old-fashioned flannel. And you can buy these from IKEA. This is where I got this one from. It was £1.50, so of course I bought a trolley full, and if they get dirty then you can just throw them away, or you can recycle them perhaps and make maybe a quilt out of them or something, or give them to my friend Heather at H Makes Bags and she might make you a little gem of, I don't know, a flannel quilt or something. Anyway, jojoba oil is absolutely amazing. All you need to do is literally, it's this simple. You put some jojoba oil in your hands, just a few drops. That's all you need, literally, and rub it together like this. I'm not going to do it now because I'm filming and I've got all my makeup on, but what you will do is you'll put it all over your face and you will rub around your face like this, careful around your eyes. You can use it for your eye makeup, but I think the healing salve that you probably made is better for that. And then upward motions on your neck. You can do this. Jojoba oil actually starts to cleanse, so it'll actually go into your pores and start to remove dirt. So what you can do is you can do this, then you can pop in the shower, get your flannel, and then put this side of it, because it's quite a long flannel, you can put this side of it under the hot water, and then you simply rub off all of the oil. Do it in upward strokes. Be careful not to rub too hard around your eyes. So you know, I used to get this dry skin around my eyebrows, and I know a lot of women suffer from this. It's because they don't exfoliate properly. So this flannel, I'm telling you, will take care of this. Do you see any dry flakes around my eyebrows? No, because I use this every single morning. And if you don't have time for a shower, do it in the sink, and then you can use the other side to pat your face dry, or you can actually use the wet flannel to maybe give yourself a quick wash under the arms before you run out. So how fabulous is that? Now I'm going to show you the face toner. So once you've cleansed, one of the first things that you should do after cleansing is toning. If you like, you can spray this onto a cotton pad and then wipe off maybe if you have any residue, but you shouldn't have if you're using jojoba oil. Then what you can do is you just spray this absolutely glorious toner all over your face, and then apply your elixir. Now, if you've seen my video, you'll know that your face actually retains 10% more moisture if you apply an oil while your skin is damp. So move quickly, spritz the toner, put a few drops of this in your hand, and this is the daytime one, so I've got the patchouli because I want to control this oily T-zone, and I literally just put this on my face, and yes, you can even put it around your eyes. Don't put it here, and don't put it too close here because it'll block your tear ducts and your eyes will go puffy, and just put it around the orbital bone. And this is a beautiful oil as well if you're flying and you get a tendency to have dry lines. Who doesn't when we're flying? And you can pat it around here, and you will notice the difference. When you land on that plane, you won't have any dry lines around your eyes using that oil. But I'm going to show you another tip once a week. This is what I use. See, I don't believe that beautiful, effective skincare needs to be expensive. Who hasn't heard of baking soda? Baking soda, they call it, I think, in the US, and bicarbonate of soda, we call it in England. And this is one that I get, Foster Clark's. It's a couple of dollars, about 7 dirhams. And all you need to do in conjunction with the rose toner, what you can do is put some of this in your hand. It's just a little bit, and then you'll get the rose toner, and you will spritz a little bit of this, and I'm going to do it on my hand, and you can try it too on your hand before you do it on your face. Spritz some of this into your hand, just like this. It's a little bit greasy because I've just been putting oil on my hands, but never mind. And then you see you've got a little bit of moisture, and all you do then, and then you can rub it all over your face and give yourself, I mean, that is one of the best exfoliators, I'm telling you. And I use this once a week, and then I put like a beautiful face mask on. And the mask that I use is natural yogurt because it contains lactic acid, which helps to remove dead skin cells. Now, I'm going to talk very, very quickly about, don't really need to talk about the lip balm. We all know how to use a lip balm, yeah? This one's got peppermint, so it has a tendency to perhaps plump up your lips, like the Charlotte Tilbury lip plumping thing, but you can make this for maybe $1. It smells beautiful, but I wanted you to see how it looks when it's set and the consistency. Can you see that? It's not too soft and it's not too hard. And then you can put that on your lips, and if you wanted to, you can even combine it with the bicarbonate of soda when you've got no makeup on, and give yourself a little scrub on the lips to get rid of any dead skin. So I absolutely love that for this. One of my other favorite products of all time is, this is how it looks now. Remember the Balm or the 21 Benefits Healing Salve, just 2 ingredients, calendula oil and beeswax, and you can use this. See the consistency in this now, it's gorgeous. Again, not too soft, not too hard, and this wasn't even put in the fridge to harden. And what you can do with this is you can put it around your eyes, especially at night. Use it as a lip balm, use it for your kids if they've got diaper rash. It's such an amazing healing balm, and there's so many things that you can do with it, and you can even use it then to take off your makeup at night, especially if you're wearing a lot of mascara, like I've got about 4 coats on. So it's really great for that. Then I'm going to show you the shea butter. This is in one of my videos, the beautiful lavender and grapefruit. Again, if you, oh, look at this. I mean, it's just, remember that Whippy, Mr. Whippy? Mr. Whippy ice cream. I used to love that. We used to have him coming around the streets in England, and we'd all run out, and we loved Mr. Whippy because it was so soft and creamy. And this is just, I mean, look how magnificent this is, and it soaks in really well. If you're going to go out to work, I wouldn't recommend that you used it in the morning and then go out, because it'll be quite heavy. Perhaps just use some jojoba oil, but yeah, for nighttime definitely, and you'll wake up with really super soft skin. And another product that I made for my wonderful friend Heather is this cold cream, and it's just got 4 ingredients. If you watch the video, you'll know what they are, and you'll be able to make this for yourself. But when we were making it, it was quite runny. We were able to actually pour it into this beautiful little tub, my favorite color as well. But can you see now, it's actually, look how thick that is. So of course I'm not going to use that because my hands will end up very oily and I will just drop everything on the floor. But I'm just going to put it, oh, it's just absolutely gorgeous. And what you can do with this, oh, it's just lovely. This is your own thick body lotion. Who doesn't want that? Because you're adding water, remember there's no preservatives in it, so it's not going to last a great deal of time. So perhaps it might last maybe 1 month if you kept it in the fridge. You need to be very, very careful. And if you need to know about microbes and mold growing in things with water, have a glass of water and leave it there for a month, and then pop a lemon in it and see how long the mold starts to actually grow. So when you add water to things, you need to be very careful when they don't have preservatives. So it doesn't last a long time, but I mean, I know that with Heather that's not going to last very long anyway, because she's going to be using a lot of it. And you can use it for your face to take your makeup off, because that's what all the whole old, well, dead now, but yeah, all the Hollywood superstars used to use on their face to take off their makeup and to put it on at night, and they were beautiful, right? Remember Vivian Leigh and Lana Turner? They used to use this. So that's cold cream, and I'm loving that product. In fact, I might not let Heather have that one. And now I'm going to talk very briefly about my Monkey Magic Pain Relief Oil. It's so easy. It's in an airless pump. It's really easy to use, and what happens is that the pump here, it's at the bottom, so every time you squeeze, you're not letting any air into it, it's pushing the oil up, so it will actually start to become empty at the bottom and not at the top. And all you need to do with this is just put a few drops in your hand, and then all you need to do is put it on a localized area of pain. So for me, it's going to be my back, and I'm going to be putting that on my back after this shoot because I've been standing all day. But yeah, if you want to put it on your muscles or your shoulders or something like that. And even I have some customers that put a little bit of it here on the temples if they're getting a little bit of a headache. So it's a great versatile oil, but remember, not a full body massage oil, and it really helps with bruises too. And last but not least, I saved it for last because it's a sleep remedy. I don't really want to go to sleep right now, but this is the one with valerian root and melissa and lavender. And it's absolutely gorgeous. And the best way to use this, really simple. You can just put it on your pulse points. You can put it behind your ears. But one really good thing is your shoulders is one of the most permeable parts of your body. So if you actually even roll it onto your shoulders and then just give it a little massage here, you can do that, and do it at bedtime when you're ready for sleep, because trust me, it really will knock you out and you'll have a beautiful night's sleep. So that's all of my products that we made in my how-to videos. I hope you enjoyed that. If you want to have any more information, go on my website by melaniejane.com, or you can follow me with the same handle by Melanie Jane on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.